Welcome back to the vlog. So I know it's pretty early for you guys. We're in Tennessee. We're just packing up and we're going to Chicago in 2 hours. So I'm just gonna miss that. My favorite restaurant in Tennessee called Perkins, but there are some around in Illinois, but pretty far from my house, unfortunately. So I hope I can try it one day. And plus, we had some fun at my aunt's house. It was pretty fun. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog of the playlist. So we're just about to get ready to leave the house. Look what time it is. It's 4:02 in the morning. So I'm pretty tired right now. Well, getting into my aunt's car. Looks nice. We should be about to leave soon, but my aunt is gonna get the car ready. But we are going to the airport, and she's gonna drop me off, and my mom will meet us at the airport. So see you at the airport. We're just about to get out of the car and and get to my home. We're just actually at the Memphis International Airport, so we're just about to get our security thing. We're just about to get through security, and then, sorry if it's pretty loud for you guys, but we're just about to, I can't wait to go home. Chicago, here we come. I can't wait to go home to get some rest, and the vlog should be out tomorrow or this afternoon, but we'll see. I'll let you know when this gets uploaded. I just got home and look what's happening outside. OMG. But I'm just happy I just got home. See, I'm back at my house in Chicago. So, but we're gonna have another road. We're gonna have another event. We're going to Champaign as a road visit to visit my friend, but this Thursday, so there's gonna be a guest at my road visit this Thursday. So we're gonna be. I think I should lay down. I feel pretty tired. That'll do it for this vlog. So hope you enjoy my Tennessee trip, and we'll be vlogging this Tuesday. Bye.